next ruler we're going to show you is the non-slip H.S.T ruler for cutting half square triangles. 7/8 and 3/8 are very commonly used measurements in patchwork, but very difficult to cut because a 7/8 is the last little measurement in an inch. So what we've done, this ruler looks like a normal ruler from a distance, but it's not. So let's take a closer look at the ruler itself. So here we have the half square triangle ruler, H.S.T. So 7/8 is a very useful measurement in patchwork, but it's a very hard measurement to see on a normal ruler. We've designed the H.S.T ruler with a solid 7/8 line running all the way across and a 3/8 of an inch dashed line, which also runs all the way across the ruler. We've designed the H.S.T ruler also with a normal numbering system, so when you turn the ruler around you've got a normal 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch and 4 inch and going across the side there. And also we've got a 1/4 inch dashed checking line, which is very useful. So the 7/8 line runs all the way along the length for cutting long strips, and at one end the 7/8 and 3/8 measurements are in square format, which makes it very easy for cutting squares at this end, or smaller pieces of fabric. So I require a square made up of 2 half square triangles, finished size to be 5 inch. I need to cut a strip of fabric 5 7/8 of an inch long. And then I need to make that into a 5 7/8 square, which is here. So I've got it's already prepared. And what you need to do next of all is to draw a diagonal line across the pre-cut squares, and also put your squares right sides together. And then, as you can see, I've sewn a scant 1/4 inch seam either side, and then you simply rotary cut along that pencil line, and then you end up with 2 triangles like this. And then when you flip those open, you've got 2 5 inch finished squares, as simple as that.